My name is Alex, and I'm one of the repair engineers here at the Novatech service desk. Take in broken PCs, laptops, any kind of component, and try to get them working and back to the customers. We do brands that aren't Novatech. We can take an HP laptop, put a solid-state drive and another stick of RAM in there. That's like a whole new machine for you. Definitely buy another few years out of it. You do this long enough, you kind of get an eyeball or just a thought as to what might be causing the issue. And so you've got all these different tests that you can run to try and figure out what exactly the problem is. So like this thing right here is running a 30 series graphics card built into the laptop. It's been having issues with ray tracing effects. You run any game with some ray tracing light effects, it crashes. This program right here is nothing but ray tracing, so really stresses the system out. Make sure that your XMP is turned on, because otherwise that fancy expensive RAM isn't really doing you any favors. And good airflow. Make sure you got some fans on your case.